Converting snake case to camel case in VS Code currently takes several steps using the find replace feature. In this example, we'll convert get transform to the camel case variant. Just press Ctrl H to open the find replace dialog. Press alternate R to toggle the regular expression option, if it's not already highlighted. Type underscore, open parenthesis, open bracket, A, dash, Z, uppercase A, dash, uppercase Z, closing bracket, closing parenthesis. Press Tab to move to the replace field, then type $1. Press alternate Enter to highlight all occurrences of the search string. Press F1 to open the command palette, then type upper, and press Enter to change the matched strings to uppercase. Now press Ctrl alternate Enter to complete the replace routine, which should remove all underscores. That's it. You should see all occurrences of snake case converted to camel case.